Can you see yourself in the 2023 Chevrolet Trailblazer? With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This cleverly crafted Trailblazer delivers convenience, comfort, and style in a fresh, modern package. Fold flat seats let you make the most of this small SUV's surprisingly spacious interior. And you'll enjoy the journey more than ever before thanks to connected touchscreen infotainment and driver assist safety tech. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, keyless start, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, heated front seat. Don't miss the chance to enjoy the comfort and convenience of this modern-minded Trailblazer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.